This show is sponsored by HamiltonDomains.com, where you can get your domain starting at just $10.
All right, Andy Broadaway here with Tech Biz Geeks, and we're about ready to go into the very first drone expo at the Los Angeles Sports Arena. So let's go. All right, Andy Broadaway with Tech Biz Geeks, and I'm at the Los Angeles Sports Arena at one of the very first drone conventions that I'm aware of. So far, nobody has said I'm wrong, but one of the very first ones, at least for sure in LA, but I think one of the first ones anywhere. And so a lot of people here. It's crowded. I mean, we're standing room only through this whole place. But I'm here with, what's your name?
Vinny Capobianco from FlySpan Systems.
Okay, cool. So what makes you unique? We talked about before that you're not a reseller. You're a reseller, but not a manufacturer, but that you work with certain companies. So tell me about that.
Yeah, so we work with companies like 3D Robotics and GT Aeronautics to pretty much develop custom solutions for clients, and we approach them and we give them the 3 R's, requirements, return on investment, and risk assessment. When we work with all the different clients pretty much to solve enterprise level solutions, like for precision agriculture, for media, and a lot of times there's hobbyists and there's manufacturers, but who are you going to work with to approach first and really say, where do I start? And so you come down to FlySpan Systems, we recommend different solutions. The great thing is because we don't actually right now produce the different unmanned aerial vehicles, we can recommend the appropriate vehicle for you and integrate custom things like FLIR cameras and all the great things that we all want to work with, because we're collaborating with quite a number of companies here, and that's what the Drone Expo is about. Finding, well, who's actually working with everyone else, and not just single-handedly trying to conquer everything, but we try and give a turnkey solution to those clients to say, just figure it out for me. Give me a whole solution with a maintenance package, and we want to provide that with a systems engineering approach. We've been doing this before. We're a group of aerospace engineers, and we're excited about the industry. We're excited where it's going, and we want to see where it goes and work together and collaborate.
Yeah, I mean, I think that's what's really cool about this whole convention here. There's a lot of people collaborating like yourself that are doing some things, as well as, there's different price points right along the way, depending on what you want to put at the bottom of it. So whatever it's being used for. So give me an example where somebody would start from price-wise and where kind of they would go to on the high end.
Yeah, so for a system from 3D Robotics, you're looking anywhere from about 5 to 15 K to actually have a system with, let's say, a FLIR camera involved. And then from that, we help develop the training platform, and we provide the pilots for, like I said, the customized solutions.
So from 5 to about 15,000. And are we talking with a camera or without? Someone's going to bring in their own camera or what?
For sure the system you're talking, you can get up to about 10,000. Yeah, 20,000 max. Most likely you're looking to be the whole system together.
Yeah. All right, well, very cool. So which one are we looking at your booth, the one you have right now? Let's talk about that one.
Yeah, so right now, this is a 3D Robotics X8. And this is actually not anywhere else at any other booth. We're showcasing a new product from them. Beyond that, we also have the GT Aeronautics Bandito, which also you're not going to see anywhere else. So with flight times anywhere from 15 minutes all the way to an hour, and for the different solutions. And then, even besides that, there's a lot of other stuff out there that how do clients get a hold of maybe something that can fly 6 hours that's gas powered? Well, it's who are we going to go to? Who do we approach? FlySpan Systems. That's where you go. The GT Aeronautics Bandito is a carbon fiber frame that you can put actually 2 different cameras inside, and you can get a wide range. Like I said, you fly for about 45 minutes to an hour. You can work with farms and public safety, but and then beyond that.
So what are we talking about flight time on that one?
Yeah. So right now, this is, like I said, this is a new solution from 3D Robotics. This is about a 15-minute flight time. And so from that, you can fly that 15 minutes, you come down, you have a battery that's already recharged, you swap it out, and get yourself another 15 minutes. Or we can provide other solutions from them that can give double that. You're talking 30-minute flight times, which they have down pat. And we're working with them. You know, it's hard to be everywhere, but you know, it's great that we're able to represent some of the new products that they have. You know, because we're excited group of engineers.
Now back to the other one, the single engine one over here. That was kind of curious. Now you're talking about flight time on this one about an hour?
We're talking 45 minutes to an hour, loaded with 2 different cameras. It's because it's a carbon fiber frame. Because you're using, you're mainly using a fixed wing configuration. With that, you're using aerodynamics to help you fly through the air, not just vertically. With that, it requires more energy from, let's say, an octocopter. And so that's the great thing is when you start using aerodynamics, it has a different performance, and that's what we're trying to stress. You may get a wider range with this. You'll be able to go farther, but you might not be able to stop and be able to get the positioning that you can with an octocopter. And the question is you come to us and we custom, design a solution, recommend what you need. So.
Right. And the payload on this is how much?
Yeah, you're talking. I mean, about I guess 3 to 5 pounds, and we can recommend the different cameras.
And how is this thing taken off the ground? Are you holding it like this and then somebody go?
Yeah, well, this actually launches from another vehicle that actually drops it and then launches it, another air vehicle. But yeah, this can be hand launched in, let's say, a car of some sort, or there is a launcher that actually launches it. But
that's a great idea. So let's talk a little bit about this one that you have here that you're saying that you're the only one showing it right now. We'll get some B-roll on it. It'll be showing while we're talking. We'll show some B-roll of it. But give me an idea. What's unique about this one?
So this one is a smaller version of some of their other products. I mean, it only has a 15-minute flight time. It's, because of the 8 rotors, it's more stable than some of the other platforms you see from DJI that's mainly being heavily focused here. And GT Aeronautics, which the Bandito can, like I said, fly about 45 minutes to an hour, fully loaded, carbon fiber frame, a fixed wing air vehicle, only one propeller in the front. Something like that you're just not going to see here. So, with the 8 rotors, you're talking a more stable camera that you can, like I said, put a FLIR camera on and get infrared to appropriately get what you need. So.
All right, very cool. All right, so where do we get more information about your company? Give us a web address, phone number, all that stuff.
Sure, yeah, you can come to www.flyspansystems.com, and yeah, well, we can consult with you and figure out what you guys need.
All right, well, super. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching TechBizGeeks. You can follow us on Twitter at twitter.com/TechBizGeeks. You can watch and subscribe to our YouTube channel at youtube.com/TechBizGeeks. You can like us on Facebook at facebook.com/TechBizGeeks. You can also subscribe to our RSS feed at techbizgeeks.com. Thank you for watching.